let the battle begin. 16 rounds in under 7 minutes. Round 1. Best curly hair brushes. This one goes to the viral brush, closely followed by the Denman. Look at that definition. Round 2. A pencil versus the Denman brush. It's literally the same technique, just a smaller circumference. Massive tip. When you get to the root of your head, stop for a moment. If you're confused, think for a minute, which is the best way? And then continue. It's obviously got to go to the Denman brush. I mean, look at those curls. Come on. It's definitely giving a bit more of a uniform curl, whereas the pencil isn't. Round 3. Finger rolling versus the Tangle Teezer handle rolling. Okay, almost the same technique, but it's all rolling. I love this Tangle Teezer brush. But let's see. The finger rolling takes the win though. Round 4. Brush styling with different products. I find it makes a massive difference. You'd think there wouldn't be a difference, but look at this. Look at this. Round 5. Finger coils versus hand pinching. I literally pinch my hair going down. Hand pinching definitely wins this one. Round 6. Raking method versus brush styling with the Tangle Teezer. I mean, obviously, the brush style takes no time, but is it better? Yes, obviously. It looks so good. When you see this S shape, you know your curls are set for the week. Round 7. Finger curling versus twist outs. I really struggle with this finger curling technique. But look at the results. And then the 2-strand twist is so much easier to do. It's probably because I'm used to this. My muscle memory is like, oh, we got this. But look at how good the definition is. And it lasts 8 days. What? But the winner is the finger curling technique. Round 8. Plaits versus finger rolling. Now the plait, you start at the root of the head and you work your way down. Whereas the finger rolling, you start at the tip of your hair and work the way up. So these are completely different methods. I know you're like, why am I comparing the two? But just look at the definition I get from this finger rolling. Yeah, it doesn't look that good. But the plaits, wow. This round goes to the plait, definitely. It is so good. And the plait, you can actually use it as a braid out when your hair is dry. So you'll have definition then as well. Round 9, finger rolling competition. I struggle with this one. Why? I don't know. I don't know why I find it so hard. Maybe it's my curl texture, but I literally had an absolute fail on the right hand side. The left, it was a bit better, but please tell me, where did I go wrong? I was like, this is easy. The rolling up, fine. But when you get to the root of the hair, look at this. It's terrible. Obviously the left side won, but tell me, what did I do wrong? Round 10, brushing with tension. I tell you, this makes a massive difference. Look at this. The front always looks better. Round 11, smoothing versus a toy drill. I know, I took my son's drill. But let me tell you, I was shocked by the result. The smoothing technique is so easy and it takes no time. But you do need to detangle, like properly detangle, and then just smooth. And the results? Wow. I think it goes to the smoothing. Round 12. Toy drill versus 2-strand twist. I think it goes without saying, but obviously my hair is prepped, washed, conditioned. I've added the product. All I'm showing you right now are the techniques of how to style your curls. The 2-strand twist, though, definitely takes the cup. Look at that definition. I know I twist my hair from the root, but about 3/4 of the way, I then just do a finger coil. I twist it around my finger. So you could say I'm cheating. I'm using 2 different techniques, but my curls come out best when I combine the 2 and it's quicker. The 2-strand twist wins. Round 13, the toy drill versus hand styling. It works really well. It's battery operated. There's a safety hazard. Of course, it doesn't work on all curl types. It really makes a difference how you style your curls. Just look at the hand styling to the toy drill. The toy drill is the winner. Round 14, the toy drill competition. Styling my curls with a toy drill seemed like a good idea, obviously, until something like this happens. So, warning, do not use this. If you are not experienced, please be careful if you're going to try this. Like the fast spin in motion can easily tangle your curls, so be careful. You don't have control over the tension or direction. And do not use this toy drill all the time. It can encourage breakage, of course, over time because you're forcing it to curl in this direction. Round 15, wet versus dry curls. I told you, that 2-strand twist, look at how good it looks. Bouncy. It's so hard to pick. But I gotta say, the wet curls? Round 16, the last and final round. 2-strand twist versus the Raking method. These are my two favorite techniques that I do all the time. So to choose was pretty hard. Don't go anywhere. The results are amazing. The product, I know, had a bit of white residue, but my curls loved it. 2-strand twist, obviously. Wow. But raking doesn't take long at all. Thanks so much for watching Coils by Sharlene. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? And why not like this video? Turn on the notification bell and let me know which battle was your favorite. Thanks for watching Coils by Sharlene, and I'll see you next time. Peace out.